Hey guys and gals, sweet project cars here with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer. Let's go talk about the Galvano window trim, show you what we can do about the corrosion that's starting to build up there. And this will work on any vehicle that has aluminum trim that has been coated at the manufacturer. Place your tape over the edge of the door here. You want to use the 3M automotive refinishing. Why am I telling you this? Julio, tell them where they can get all these great products.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
And what I'm going to do, if you leave the tape on after you do this, I'm going to give you a video in the show more area on how to protect this so it doesn't do that again. I'm bringing my mama along on this one. Mama's going to do some heavy-duty spanking today, heavy-duty spanking. And you're going to use your 4-aught, that's 4 zeros, the finest steel wool they have, and just go over it. And you take a nice microfiber, nice heavy pressure. You can tape it all off and paint it and black it out and all that, but I like to keep my customers' cars as stock as possible. Oh, it didn't work. Yeah, it did. Let's just scan right across there. Ooh, that's beautiful. Gone. Completely gone. This is a huge trade secret because nobody online knows how to get this out but Sweet Project Cars. That's why you subscribe to us, because we have the tricks that nobody else does.